Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this beautiful look I did on my friend, and guess what, it's her birthday. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes be granted by God. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So to start off, I'll be using my Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Ivory to set her brows, and I'll be using my spoolie brush to brush it into place. My brow pencil, as always, is from Cosmetic Art Brow Pencil in the shade Black. Yes, and I did this video like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, and I promised her to upload it on her birthday, which will be on the 19th of November. Yes, so it's all about my friend's birthday. I mean, the birthday girl. So now I'm filling it in with a brown pencil from Cosmetic Art. I'm just happy. Yes, I'm just happy for my friend. She is one amazing lady. Yes, she has a heart of gold. I don't want to be emotional, but I love her. I love her as a kid sister. Yes, I'm getting emotional. So guys, let's just enjoy the rest of the video because I'm getting teary. Yes, so to conceal, I'm using the BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette to conceal her brows, and I'm using that same as her eyeshadow base. Yeah, I don't want to be talking about her because I'm getting emotional. So I think I will just let you guys to enjoy the rest of the video because it's self-explanatory. And the palette I use in the video is the Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glaze. So I'll let you guys enjoy the video as I said. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. And please wish my friend a happy birthday in the comment section down below. She'll be reading all of your comments as well. This particular palette I'm using is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. Yes, I forgot I used that as well together with the Gorgeous Me palette.